Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jerry and I like to crochet. I actually haven't been crocheting for too long. I started in around the middle of 2021 and that was because I live in Taiwan and at that time we were having a lockdown. And one thing about me is I cannot stay inside. Like I hate being inside. I'm a very extroverted person and as soon as the lockdown began I was like, dude, I need a hobby. I would say that I actually managed to pick it up really quickly because when I was little my grandmother taught me how to knit and it was kind of easier for me because it was like going from 2 hooks into 1, and I actually learned by watching YouTube tutorials. So hopefully at some point if I do decide to upload a tutorial I would be able to help you guys, or if you're even already a crocheter and you just get some inspiration, that would be super cool as well. So what I thought I'd do today is have a little rundown of 2022 since obviously the new year just started. And I wanted to look back at all of the projects I've made this year. I will say I didn't make as many as I originally wanted because in the beginning of the year I went through a depressive episode and it lasted like 3 months. And I was basically bedridden, couldn't shower, couldn't brush my teeth. I think I should go to therapy. So I managed to get back into it towards the end of the year, so most of these projects I actually made towards the last few months of 2022, but let's have a look at some of the things I made and I'll go through the process of it a little bit. So this is my bag of crochet things. As you can see, she is massive. The one thing I became particularly obsessed with making are cat ear beanies, and that's because they are so easy to make. And usually I crochet while I'm watching Netflix, so all you have to do is just the same stitch. So as you can see, I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. And honestly, those aren't even all of them because I got a few commissions and so I made more that I actually eventually sold. If you would like to buy a crochet piece by me, please message me on Instagram, my commissions are open. So this is actually the first cat ear beanie that I made. I did it because I had some leftover yarn that I stole from my sister, so thank you Melissa if you're watching. And the thing I like about crocheting my own stuff is that I actually have a really fucking huge head.
So no head?
Like, not a lot of people know this, my head is massive and I cannot buy hats because none of them fit. So making crochet stuff yourself, I can actually wear hats now. So the first few striped beanies that I made, I actually sold, so I don't have them anymore. But I will paste a few pictures if I remember. But my favorite one that I've made, I would say, is this one, this red and black striped beanie. And I actually added these little crochet stars onto the side. And I just think it's really cute. So this is what the beanie looks like on. It's actually a tiny bit small for my head, but I think it would fit most regular people. And I just kind of like that when I move, the stars kind of swing around. And in terms of like matching it with an outfit, I usually just wear all black when I wear this, because if I wear red, I just end up looking like Dennis the Menace. Dennis the Menace. This is another striped beanie that I made. I made this one after I made the red and black one. And I just wanted to make like a plain one with no added accessories. And I think it's really sweet. I just had these 2 colors left over from a previous project that I actually didn't end up finishing. But I like it a lot. But these colors I would say are a little bit harder to match my usual wardrobe. I also experimented a little bit more with the cat beanie kind of pattern and I ended up making this strawberry version. So all I did is I made a red beanie, as you can tell, and then I sewed in these little V's, and then I created this stem out of leftover green yarn I had and added it onto the top. This is what the hat looks like on. I thought I wouldn't like it when I was making it because I thought maybe it was too childish for me, but it's very cute. I've actually been thinking about making a tutorial for this hat, so if you would like to see it, please let me know in the comments down below and I will think about it. I kind of went through a strawberry phase last year, if I'm honest, and I also made a few bags to go with the hat. So this is one of them that I made. As you can see, it looks like a strawberry and it's a sling bag, so it goes over your shoulder, and the mechanism is really cool because the way you tighten it is you literally just pull this string and it's secured, it's not going to open. And then if you want to make it wider, very simple. I really like the bag mechanism of the strawberry bag I made, so I made this little one too, and it's the same kind of like shoulder string bag, but I wanted to try different colors, and this one has like these really cute little strawberry details. I also made this small little drawstring pouch, and it's the same kind of mechanism. It's really easy to open and very spacious inside, and I usually just use this to put my pads in. Okay, hi, so editing Jerry here. One time I had a guy go buy me pads and he asked me if I could send him a picture, and as a response I just sent him that meme, but this guy has like no access to the internet, like he doesn't have any social media and he doesn't understand any memes at all, and he just replied saying, "What the fuck?" Okay, back to the video. Or sometimes if I'm carrying like makeup stuff like powder or my foundation, I'll pop that in here too and then put it in my bag, and I put strawberry details like all around the bag, and yeah, I really like this one. Oh, I also went for a glove phase. So these are the first gloves that I made. My favorite color is actually green, and I wanted to try make some little like mittens, fingerless gloves for the winter because my hands get really chilly. I also wanted to try my hand at doing like little embroidery gloves, so I have this pair that I made here with these stars on the front. These ones look like this, and I think they're also very cute. I like the color brown a lot too, and I think the green and brown combo goes really nicely together. I also wanted to continue the glove phase and make more stuff, so I made these blue ones, this star and moon one, and I was really proud of them, and then my friend told me that the moon looks like a croissant. I also made these really cute purple mushroom gloves, and I sold them, so I don't have them with me right now, but again I will insert a picture if I remember. I also wanted to try make some bags this year, so I made this cute like little minimalist, oh my god it's so creased, this cute little smiley face bag. As you can see, I use a darning needle to add this little like extra embroidery here, and it's really nice. The yarn that I used is really soft and it's much thicker than the yarn I usually make. You can just like put it on your arm like this, or just carry it in your hands, and it's like the perfect size to have like a couple books and a pencil case and stuff go inside it. I actually used the same kind of pattern to make this pink and green little Y2K style bag, and I added a tiny button onto the back of it which matches the same green on the front, and I like this bag a lot, but I actually regret the straps. Like I feel like it would look so much cuter as a shoulder bag rather than these two little straps on the side, so I think if I ever make it again I will change the strap design. In terms of the strap that I was talking about, I mean more like this. So this is another bag that I made this year, and it also has a button on the back. This is just like a very Y2K style bag, and I bought this really nice like green yarn, and the color changes throughout the whole thing, so I didn't switch the colors. This was just like it when I bought the yarn, and this is so cute. I really like it. I use it when I go out sometimes, and yeah, it's just really nice. Oh, going through my crochet stuff makes me realize how little projects I actually finished. I also made a couple projects out of scrap yarn because I don't like to waste yarn. So I made a couple little headbands, and as you can see I haven't tucked in any of the ends yet because that is my least favorite part. Like I fucking hate tucking in the ends. In 2023 I will tuck in my edges. But this is a little headband, so you just kind of tie it on the sides at the bottom, and it just kind of looks like, oh god my hair is so messy. It just kind of looks like this. It's very sweet. Sorry, you can see the yarn sticking out at the bottom. So this is a white and red one, and I made this over leftovers from a previous project I was making. I also made this brown and green one to go with the previous gloves that I made, and I just think these two together are so sweet. Like the combo. The color combo is so sweet together, so I think I would just wear these with like a plain black outfit. The last thing I made in 2022 was this star messenger bags. So this is one, again I haven't tucked in any of the ends. This is like an over the shoulder star messenger bag, and I do really like it, but I think I needed to make the strap a little bit longer because the shape is kind of weird, but this is what it looks like. And ooh. And then I also made this star bag in brown and pink And this is just like a cute little book bag or a cute little grocery bag. There's quite a lot of space inside, but again, I haven't tucked in any of the edges, so I haven't used it to go out yet. And yeah, that's pretty much most of the stuff that I made in 2023. I hope you enjoyed this video and you consider subscribing to my channel and turning on the notifications. And again, if you like any of these products and you would like to purchase them, please DM me on Instagram. I do commission. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.